rangba ke jylla akurat sangma hababu ya mau nongrim bantai ya ke International Turf Sports Stadium haryang do ulaom bahagi ni South Sansnem Banadep amdan kanu ke sorkar ka bapai kemat haki kami lekai ula berabru da ka baong bahagi jingalam ke sorkar MDA lala ban penlong ya ke Meghalaya Games ka North East Games bat kiwei ban kentiu ya ka kami lekai ha ke jylla shushu nagaliang ukonrat sangma ula ongru bak sorkar MDA kabala lam khmat da ka NPP kan saai da ki kusnam ya baro kirang bat ki thayele kai ki ba wanra nam bat buram ya ka jylla ha ki jingila kai ki ba pher shushu nagaliang menteri rangba ula ong ba ha ki ni ki sansnem ka sorkar kalala bantei ya shibun ki madan yele kai ha kylleng ka jylla.
Our government has not even been 1 year now. But then under your dynamic leadership, we've been able to achieve so many things, whether in terms of sports, in terms of education, in terms of health, and so on. So I believe under your leadership, we can achieve more and we can achieve greater things for the betterment of the people of our state. Ya MLA Badan Burom Jofi, Ba Methodius Dakar, belong rukum Hinman Jonga, ya kaba nakapor sa kapor nakaliang gajong ngai sisa ba idon ya kata jingkit kle kumu MLA.
But for 52 years there was no investment or no work that was done to improve the infrastructure of this particular ground. But it is very heartening to see that within 1 year of becoming your MLA, within 1 year of Bashaklir becoming the sports minister, close to about 9+, that means almost 10 crores is being sanctioned to improve this particular field. And this is a great blessing for the people of this area. And friends, like this stadium and this ground that we are improving, we are doing this across the state. You will be surprised to know that this government has made more stadiums and more infrastructures for sports in the last 5 to 6 years than what was made in the last 45 years put together. And this is a reflection of the commitment that we have to the youth of our state, the commitment that we have towards the sports, commitment that we have to ensure that we are able to provide the opportunity for our youngsters so that they can follow their passion. We as a government believe that we need to provide the platform, provide the infrastructure, provide the policy, provide the financial support so that these youngsters can again and again in different disciplines bring laurels for our state. Like that, investments are being made in many other disciplines. I'm happy to also inform you that Meghalaya has had 5 Meghalaya Games in the last 52 years. 5 times only. But out of these 5 Meghalaya Games, one was held in 2001 or 2002, second was in 2004. But apart from that, the rest of the Meghalaya Games have been held during the time of this MDA 1 and MDA 2 government. And I have given the assurance to our youngsters that we will be having the Meghalaya Games every year from now on. All the medal winners in the Meghalaya Games will be felicitated by our Honorable Minister and myself. We will be giving cash awards to all the medal winners, and we will also be announcing other financial packages in terms of even giving scholarship and different kind of support to the medal winners in the Meghalaya Games. And this is being done to provide that financial support so that they can invest in their games, but also to give them the feeling and their families the feeling that by playing sports, it's not just about spending time playing some game, but actually they will see the real benefit coming out by them allowing their children to play these sports, by the fact that once they get medals, they will be getting cash awards and even scholarships in different ways. And hence, this government is doing different policies to ensure that we are able to really push and really promote sports in a big way in the state and in the country as a whole. Friends, you will also be happy to know that with the investments that we are making in sports, especially with the leadership of our sports minister, very, very young, very, very dynamic, and a person who works with a lot of passion. And he is really concerned about our youth. Under his leadership, let me assure you that Meghalaya will have one of the largest and the maximum infrastructure compared to any other state in the northeast especially, and maybe even in the country. We will have one of the highest infrastructures for different sports in different parts of the state.